In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Fortinet warranty. We're going to use the official Fortinet website to quickly find the warranty policy documents, so you can understand what's covered, for how long, and any important conditions that apply to your hardware and software. Start by opening your browser and going to fortinet.com. Make sure you're on the official homepage. You'll see the Fortinet branding along the top. From here, look to the top navigation bar for the search icon, usually shown as a small magnifying glass. On a smaller screen, the search option may be tucked inside the main menu, so expand the menu if you don't see it right away. Click the search icon to open the site-wide search field. In the search box, type the word warranty and submit the search. This brings up a list of Fortinet pages related to warranty topics. In the results, find the item labeled warranty. Click that result to open Fortinet's dedicated warranty information page. On the warranty page, look for the link that says EULA and warranty terms. EULA stands for End User License Agreement, and this link takes you to the official documents that spell out Fortinet's warranty policies. Click it and you'll be taken to a page that lists the warranty and EULA documents, often organized by product families or regions. If you see a PDF, open it to review the details. Once you're in the document, use the table of contents or your browser's find feature to locate your specific product line. Pay attention to key sections such as hardware warranty, duration, what's considered covered versus consumable parts, advanced replacement or RMA eligibility, and the start date of coverage, which is often tied to shipment or registration. Service subscriptions like security updates or support contracts are usually separate from the base hardware warranty, so note those distinctions. Also, look for region-specific variations and any exclusions. It's a good idea to check the revision date on the document to ensure you're reading the most current policy, and download or print a copy for your records. If you don't see the warranty result on your first try, confirm the spelling, make sure you're searching the Fortinet site, and try a different browser if the page doesn't load. Some documents may open in a new tab, so allow pop-ups if prompted. And that's it. You've navigated from the Fortinet homepage to the EULA and warranty terms, where the official warranty information lives. If you ever need device-specific entitlement tied to a serial number, that's typically handled through Fortinet's support portal or your authorized reseller. For policy details, though, this page is your authoritative source.